My name is Aksa Ali, bearing roll number 17ES37. My presentation topic is robotics. Robotics. Sounds cool, right? Yes, it is cool, not because of its name, but because of the work we do here and thing we make. Here are the contents of my topic. We will discuss about history, robotics, what is robotics, and you can see all. First come to the history. The term robot was first used in 1920 in a play called R.U.R. by Czech writer Karel Čapek. रोबोट जो है वो फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ किया गया था एक चेक राइटर था कैरल कैपेक उसके प्ले में इन 1920. The word robot comes from the word robota meaning in Czech forced labor and drudgery. जो वर्ड रोबोट है वो रोबोटा में से आता है जिसका मतलब होता है लेबर और drudgery यानी कि मेहनती या सर्वेंट. Robotics terminology. Robot. What comes in your mind when you hear the word robot? Some of people may have misconception of big machines to be considered as a robot. It's wrong. The simplest definition of the robot is it's a device or it's a mechanical device that performs human tasks either automatically or by a remote control. रोबोट क्या है? ये एक मैकेनिकल डिवाइस है जो कि ह्यूमन टास्क करता है थ्रू रिमोट कंट्रोल और ऑटोमेटिक. रोबोटिक्स. स्टडी एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रोबोट्स टेक्नोलॉजी. रोबोटिक्स क्या है? ये हमारी स्टडी होती है रोबोट्स की जिसको हम कहते हैं रोबोटिक्स. टेली रोबोटिक्स. रोबोट्स दैट इज़ ऑपरेटेड रिमोटली. वो रोबोट्स जो रिमोटली ऑपरेट होते हों बाय ह्यूमन और ऑब्जर्वर तो उसको हम कहते हैं टेली रोबोटिक्स. What is a robot? A reprogrammable multifunctional automatic industrial machine designed to replace human in a hazardous work. रोबोट क्या है? ये एक मशीन है और डिवाइस है जिसको हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं ह्यूमन के बजाय. जैसे कि डेंजरस एरियाज़ होते हैं वहाँ पर हम रोबोट्स का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It can be used as an automatic machine sweeper, an automatic car for a child to play with, a machine removing mines in a war field, in space, in military, and many more. What is robotics? रोबोटिक्स इज़ द साइंस ऑफ डिज़ाइनिंग और बिल्डिंग इन एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रोबोट्स. रोबोटिक्स क्या है? ये एक साइंस है रोबोट्स को डिज़ाइन और उनको बिल्ड करने की. सिंपली रोबोटिक्स में बी डिफाइंड एज द स्टडी ऑफ रोबोट्स. द एम ऑफ रोबोटिक्स इज़ टू डिज़ाइन एन एफिशिएंट रोबोट. व्हाई इज़ रोबोटिक नीडेड? रोबोटिक इज़ नीडेड बिकॉज ऑफ स्पीड, can work in hazardous or dangerous temperature, can do repetitive tasks, can do work with accuracy. रोबोटिक्स जो है हमारी यूज़ की जाती है स्पीड यानी कि रोबोट्स जो हैं हमारे वो एज़ कम्पेयर टू ह्यूमन हमें फ़ास्ट काम करके देते हैं और वो ये जो है डेंजरस एरियाज़ में भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं और ये जो है रिपीटेटिव काम कर सकते हैं जो कि एक ह्यूमन को बोर कर सकते हैं और ये हमें विथ एक्यूरेसी काम करके देते हैं. Level laws of robotics. Asimov presented 3 laws of robotics and later added the 0th law. Law 0. A robot may not injure humanity or through inaction allow humanity to come to harm. Law 1. A robot may not injure human being or through inaction allow human being to come to harm unless this would conflict a higher order law. A robot must obey orders given to it by human being except where such orders would conflict a higher order law. And law 3. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with a higher order law. Blocks of robots. Here are the blocks of robots. You can see sensor, power supply, controller, actuator. Let's come to the sensing unit. Sensor. You know, we humans are independent to an extent because of our senses. Then for the robots to be independent, what we will need by totally independent or autonomous. I mean, robots should work on its own without any human interference. Most of people will agree that it merits intelligence. This intelligence is imparted by us humans. Is it enough? Well, of course it's enough. Robot will work with that, but it will be isolated outside world. For it to be interactive, we implant sensors. A sensor is a device which provides information about the physical world. A sensor is a device that measures a physical quantity and converts it into signal which can be read by an observer or an instrument. Physical quantity like temperature, pressure, heat, magnetic waves, etc. and set to process. Types of sensor used in robotic application. There are so many types of sensors. Some of them are sound sensors, temperature sensors, ultrasonic gas, smoke sensor, IR, and etc. Control unit. Control unit receives a signal from the sensor and drives the actuator. See, control unit is the major governing system of a robot. Every system that is inside the robot can be represented in the form of control system. This is also known as the brain of the robot. Actuator. Actuator is the most important component of the robot that is used to drive mechanical unit of robot. We need devices which convert electrical energy into mechanical energy, and for that we use such devices are called actuators. Commonly DC geared motors are used as actuators. Servo and stepper motor also can be used as an actuator. Types of robots. The most common types of robots are mobile robots, stationary robots, autonomous robots, remote controlled robots, and virtual robots. What is mobile robots? What are the mobile robots? Mobile robots are of two types, rolling robots and walking robots. Rolling robots have wheels to move around. They can quickly and easily search. However, they are only useful in flat areas. Robots on legs are usually brought in when the terrain is rocky. Most robots have at least 4 legs. Usually they have 6 or more. After that, stationary robots. Robots are not only used to explore areas or imitate a human being. Most robots perform repeating tasks without ever moving an inch. Most robots are working in industry settings are stationary, as you can see in the figure. Autonomous robots. Autonomous robots are self-supporting or in other way self-contained. In a way, they rely on their own brains. Remote control robots. A person can guide a robot by remote control. A person can perform difficult and usually dangerous tasks without being at the spot where the tasks are performed. Virtual robots. Virtual robots don't exist in real life. Virtual robots are just programs building blocks of software inside a computer. ASIMO is a now what is ASIMO? ASIMO is a humanoid robot created in 2000 by Honda. The name ASIMO is an acronym for Advanced Steps in Innovative Mobility. Honda has unveiled a new version of its humanoid robot that understands human gestures and movements, capable of following the moves of nearby people. It uses a camera to recognize 10 different reprogrammed faces and respond with a vocal welcome. Why Asimo is most intelligent? It can work as a person like cooking, cleaning, recognize nearby people, understand human gestures and movements. It can understand the problem and works accordingly. It is used for entertainment as well as other necessary useful works. You you know everything has advantages and disadvantages. Robots perform each task with speed and accuracy, give us information that we can't. They don't get bored, can work as a dangerous, hazardous environment. Like we can explore uh, space, we can explore volcanoes. See, it is so dangerous, but we can do it with robots. Multitasking don't need experience. Disadvantages. People can lose jobs in factories. It needs a supply of power. It needs maintenance to keep it running. It costs money to make or buy a robot. So that's all. Thank you.